Namaskar. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce you to the Indian Plumbing Association's Plumb Talk series. As part of Plumb Talk, plumbing industry experts from across the country will be explaining the nuances of plumbing technology in an easy and understandable manner. And this will make plumbing science easier for building industry professionals, engineering and architectural students, as well as the general public to understand the basics of plumbing technology. Let me give you a little background on IPA, which is the apex body of plumbing professionals in India. IPA is now a 29-year-old body started in 1993, currently has 24 chapters working towards redefining plumbing standards in India, tirelessly working towards better plumbing for a healthy living. I therefore request you to please go through the Plumb Talk series, which will be a guide for students, for architectural students, for even current architects and engineers, so that you are able to improve your knowledge on plumbing and ensure that all plumbing installations are installed not only as per codes, but we make sure that whatever water we use, we move towards net zero water and net zero sanitary waste.
Hello friends, welcome to the Plumb Talk, a series of knowledge sharing session organized by Indian Plumbing Association, which is the only apex body of plumbing health engineers, or as you say, plumbing professionals in the country. I am Milind Shete, Chairman of Indian Plumbing Association Nashik chapter, and today we are moving into the topic that matters. Yes, the topic that matters, plumbing materials and equipments. Based on the chapter 8 in the publication A Guide to Good Plumbing Practices, published by Indian Plumbing Association. See, plumbing materials play an important role for ensuring the reliable supply of clean water, proper sanitation, health and safety, convenience, conservation, sustainability, and also the longevity of the plumbing system. Very important, the longevity of the plumbing system. If you buy cheap, low quality materials or equipments, then you may end up spending more money to replace them in a shorter span. So with this, let us first see what are the material options available when it comes to the sanitary fixtures and fittings. Friends, the code says that the plumbing fixtures shall be made out of dense, durable, non-absorbent material and shall have smooth, impervious surfaces free from concealed fouling spaces. So the choice of material for sanitary wares like WC pan, wash basins, urinals and bidets is usually limited to the vitreous china, stainless steel, glass and in very rare case, fire clay material. You will see many fancy wash basins in the market, maybe made out of stones or made out of marble. But are they non-absorbent? Are they having smooth and impervious surface? No, they are not. But if you have a wash basin made out of glass, then yes, it is a dense material, it is non-absorbent and also has smooth surface. So, one of the approved materials. So, when it comes to shower trays or bathtubs, then cast iron and pressed steel enamel coated are approved and were used since ages. But now, acrylic and fiber reinforced plastic tubs and trays have almost phased them out because of the ease of installation and affordable cost. Flushing systems and seat covers for European WCs are also made out of polypropylene and acrylic. In addition to this, you can also find seat covers made out of composite wood. It's an interesting thing, composite wood. Bath fittings such as faucets, showers, flush walls, etc. along with washroom accessories are typically made from non-corrosive materials. Usually these fittings are crafted from metals like brass, bronze, gunmetal, stainless steel and zinc alloys. In recent times, all these fittings and accessories are manufactured in various engineering plastics also. With this, let us now shift our focus to the materials used in the water supply system. The materials of construction, that is we call as MOC, of the water supply pipes depends on the purpose for which it is to be used. For example, cold water, hot water, RO water and so on. The criteria for material selections are pressure, temperature, corrosiveness, noise, cost, and the most important is it permissible by codes. Till recently, metallic pipes like galvanized steel, stainless steel and copper were used for both hot as well as cold water applications, with galvanized iron pipes being the most popular, cost effective amongst them. But GI pipes corrode and so leak comparatively fast. Many countries have also restricted or banned the use of GI pipe as zinc and lead used in manufacturing them are harmful for health. Now coming to copper. It has been used since ages, mind it, ages, as a piping material. These pipes are joined by soldering methods. They are anti-corrosive and good for concealed plumbing, but are very expensive when compared with all other piping materials. Stainless steel has also been a long-standing choice. These pipes are joined by crimping method or by welding method. But again, they too are very expensive and so used very sparingly. Other than the metallic pipes, in recent times we have many options of plastic as well as plastic alloy pipes available. These pipes, because of their cost effectiveness and ease of installation, have phased out the metallic pipe to a large extent. So, with this, let us explore some of the polymer pipes. For example, chlorinated polyvinyl chloride or CPVC pipe is nowadays a widely used and a popular pipe. It is easy to install. A special lubricant is used for joining the pipes by cold fusion method. They are used for both hot as well as cold water applications. Then comes the unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, that is UPVC, what we say, UPVC pipes. They are used only for cold water applications. As about the polypropylene random pipes, that is PPR pipes, they are joined by heating both the pipe and the fittings, and then the pressure testing is done together to make an absolutely watertight joint. Friends, the polybutylene, or as we say the PB pipes, are also joined by hot fusion method and are very good for high temperature and hot water application. They are also available in crimping joints for small diameter pipes. Crosslink polyethylene, that is PEX. These pipes are normally inserted through a casing pipe, blue for cold water and red for hot water. The joint is made by crimping method and can be used for both hot as well as cold water application. Now coming to the composite pipe. Composite pipes are also called as multi-layer pipes. The outer layer is polyethylene. Then we have aluminium, and then again the inner layer is a polyethylene pipe. A very good pipe. Now even composite pipes having CPVC, aluminium CPVC are also available. We also have PEX aluminium PEX. Frankly, today the market is offering a range of innovative combinations. Now let us see the polyethylene pipes, or what we call as PP pipes. These pipes are flexible, and other than water supply mains, they can also be used for gas lines as well as drainage systems. There are two types of pipes available in the market. One is high density polyethylene, that is HDPE, and the second is medium density polyethylene, that is MDPE. As about the pipe fitting, please remember they should be compatible with the pipes. You should go as per the manufacturer recommendation. It is a good practice to use the fittings and the pipes manufactured by the same company. The different types of valves and appurtenances are made out of galvanized steel, stainless steel, copper and gunmetal. Now, they are also available in different polymer materials that are compatible with the pipes and fittings. As about the storage systems can be made out of different materials like RCC, that is reinforced cement concrete, brick masonry, mild steel, galvanized steel, stainless steel. Then you have fiberglass reinforced plastic, that is FRP, HDPE and few other plastics material. In today's time, the HDPE tank have almost replaced the metal tanks, as they are light in weight, corrosion resistant and are available in various shapes and sizes. We should always remember that the material for tanks should be selected based on their application. Very, very important. It should be selected based on their application. For example, whether it is used for storing hot water or cold water. And very important is the pressure rating to which it will be exposed. Now, let us take a closer look into the different types of materials that are used for manufacturing the drainage components. Some options of polymer pipes are UPVC and ABS. See, both UPVC and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene or ABS pipes, what you call, are available in ring fit as well as solvent fit options. ABS pipes are robust and provide better shock and impact resistance, but UPVC are comparatively cost effective and so widely used. HDPE pipe is lightweight and can be used for wastewater and stormwater drainage. Its heat welded or electrofusion couplers provide excellent joint. They are resistant to chemical and so are always suitable for clinical and industrial waste. Polypropylene pipe has similar properties to HDPE but has higher heat and chemical resistance and is slightly harder. With this, now let us move to the metallic pipe options. Cast iron pipes and fittings are heavy to handle but no vibration, mind it, no vibration, no sound, long lasting and fireproof. In older days, lead was used to fill the joints, but nowadays people use drip seal. Lead is a flexible material, friends, and so it allows the movement for the expansion and contraction, and that too without leakages. As against that, drip seal becomes very hard like a stone, and so does not allow the movement of pipes. In practice, the life of CI pipe system as compared with the lead joint is more than that with the drip seal joints. 304 grade stainless steel is used for above ground application, whereas 316 grade stainless steel is used for below ground applications. The fittings remain the same, only the pipe quality will be different. As already mentioned, they are available in ring fit as well as welding joint options. So guys, with this we are through with the metallic pipe options. So now let us see some options of other materials. For example, clay pipes, commonly called as stoneware pipes. See, do not use them for the above ground applications as they will break. Mind it, they will break. Normally available in India in 600 mm length, but because of its small length, you have many joints and so there are more chances of leakages and so are almost phased out by the polymer pipes which are available in 6 meter length. So less joints and better longevity. RCC pipes, that is reinforced cement concrete pipes. See, we have been using this RCC pipes in India abundantly and since long. However, what has happened is that when you use RCC pipe, you have too many chambers because you don't have bends, elbows, T's, etc. in the RCC. So what happens is that for every change in direction, for every connection, you need a chamber. So too many chambers with the RCC pipes. As against that, if you use polymer pipes, then you get all sorts of fittings. So by using these fittings, you can make connections. In fact, if you use UPVC, HDPE or PP pipes, then you will require less space also. The system will be neat and clean, not too many chambers, not too many leakages and very easy for installation and maintenance. When it comes to traps, guys, please remember, they shall have a self-cleansing design. They must have a smooth and uniform interior base, shall have a liquid seal of not less than 50 mm. These are very important criteria for a trap. The main drain trap are made out of stoneware, UPVC, cast iron, HDPE and polypropylene, whereas the fixture traps are made out of brass, copper, ABS, UPVC and PP. Now coming to the gratings. The gratings are installed inside the habitable spaces. Why? To prevent the entry of vermines and rodents in the habitable spaces and to prevent the unwanted material from entering the drain and clogging it. They are made out of brass, stainless steel and plastics, whereas the gratings for external installations are made out of cast iron, ductile iron, SFRC, that is steel fiber reinforced concrete, fabricated mild steel and stainless steel. Now let us turn to the last point of today's presentation, that is pumping equipments. So friends, when it comes to the pumping equipments, the MOC of the pump is selected depending upon what liquid it is going to handle, whether it is clean water or muddy water, whether it is sewage, sludge or some slurry, whether it is corrosive or abrasive liquid, and so on. See, the pump bodies are normally made out of cast iron, stainless steel, and for small pumps they may be of plastics, whereas the internal components are made out of bronze, stainless steel, carbon steel, cast iron and engineered plastics. So with this we conclude this session. This is Milind Shete wrapping things up for now. To know more about the world of plumbing, make sure to stay tuned to the Plumb Talk series presented by Indian Plumbing Association. Keep learning, keep exploring. Bye.